Hi, Sally.
Hi, Dr. Shiner.
So who do we have here today?
We have Julie McKee.
So Julie, we were very excited to have you here today. So can you tell us a little bit about what you had done?
I had upper and lower lid and full resurfacing of my face.
Wonderful. And tell us some of the things you were telling us. So now that you've been back, you said you work with patients and patients are saying some things to you about this?
Yes, I have just in the last couple of weeks seen people that didn't know that I had anything done, and I haven't seen them for a while. And one of them said, "What's different? What's different about you?" And I didn't have my glasses on, so she was convinced that it was because I didn't have my glasses on. And then somebody else said, "Your skin, oh my gosh, what?" I had no idea what I had done, and just wanted to know what did I do? What was different about my skin?
And what do you see when you're sitting in the mirror now? You're seeing some things too?
I see how I felt inside all along. What made me decide to do this is I would look at myself in the mirror and it was like, that's not who I am. And I feel like it matches now.
Wow, we're so excited for you. Well, thank you for sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you.
Could I show your photos here for a moment?
Oh, absolutely.
Excellent. So this was where you were before. And we're saying now that this looks like your older sister and this looks like the younger sister.
Yes, and the older sister doesn't look happy.
Right, isn't that so interesting? And even with this lighting here, we're seeing the difference in the way the skin has come back. All the lines you had like around the lips and the skin quality is now much, much healthier.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much again for sharing
Thank
that
you.
with us.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Howie.